Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and I absolutely love game dev bundles. It's a way to pick up a ton of assets for a very good price, but sometimes it can get a little excessive. Like right now. Right now we have an insane number of bundles going on, and instead of making this game dev bundles from scratch the channel, I put them all together into a single video. So there is a lot to dig into, and let's just jump in. So the first new bundle we've got here is for Unity developers because this is on the Unity Asset Store. It is the 2026 must-have new asset mega bundle. What you're going to notice here is it's organized into two tiers, a $10 tier, and then the weirdest tier of all, $68.99. No idea why, but that's there. So you can see here, $10, you're getting Toontown, a parkour kit, skill trees, anime power packs, perks for game creators. And a lot of it's system level stuff, which I actually quite enjoy. But then we go to that weirdly priced $68.99 tier, and you're going to notice you've got things like asset inventory. I love this. If you are a hoarder, this is one of my favorite assets. It allows you to put all your Unity assets kind of together in the same place and then import them singularly into your game project. This should be built into Unity, by the way. It should just be a standard Unity feature, but it isn't, so you can buy it as an add-on. But also like Terra splines. You're going to notice you got a lot of neat things: volumetric smoke, train detail, micro detailing system, stylized weather system, realistic water, dynamic wind, cutscenes, light mapping. So like the key system level stuff is what a lot of this stuff is. So mostly current, all kind of, again, the focus here is on must-have assets of 2026. So if you're a Unity developer, some pretty nice stuff there. Now, another one we've got here, bit of an announcement. Green Man Gaming is now getting into the world of game dev bundles. There are various reasons for this that I'm not going to get into today, but you know what? More is generally better, although it can get a little excessive like what we saw today. What you're going to notice, Green Man Gaming is known for selling games. Again, generally it's Steam keys that you redeem and so on at very good prices, but the key thing here is they also now have this bundles category. And you're going to notice this one already ended. They have a Game Dev TV bundle that's over, but you're going to notice we have two going on right now. We have this, PVG Games. This is 2D sprites. We've seen PVG Games in the past in other bundles. I like their work. It's kind of like detailed pixel art. So for example, here you're making a cyberpunk style game. That's the kind of environments you've got for working with. A lot of times it'll be characters as well. So if you're making, again, cyberpunk style game, that's what you're getting there. This one here is Doomsday. You can see these are actually gotten on itch.io, by the way. So you see here a number of different packs, and then we've got some character creator kits. These are modular sprites, so you can build them out of like individual pieces and so on. So that is the PVG one, and then we've also got an Ovani one here as well. You see these tiers; these are all tiered bundles once again. So a $12 and then a $26 is the top. So localized pricing, probably $25 USD if for the 26 item tier. Ovani stuff I've always been a big fan of. They've got a combination of sound effect packs, which are super straightforward, and then music packs, where music packs shine is they are dynamic, so you get multiple different intensities, and then you'll find they also have plugins like this, music plugins for Godot, Unreal, and Unity. Also, they have ambient sound effect plugins as well, so you can have it ramp up the intensity. So you're making a horror game, and the killer is getting closer and closer to you to kill you. You can have it like ramp up the intensity of like a horror music. Pretty cool stuff there. And then we get into Humble, and Humble have lost their damned minds. This is insane what they have going on right now. So they're running their Humble 15, and it is pretty excessive. You can actually notice it's across the whole place. So their games, they have like over a dozen bundles going on. Actually, they have exactly a dozen different game bundles going on. Normally it's like 4 or 5. And then even when we get into the books category, you're going to see here they've got like this many. There's a lot of books going on here again, including C#, C++ kind of books there if you're interested. And then there's Zenva's Godot book, but that's going to be over almost instantly. But where we're most interested in is the software category. And when we look at like how many game bundles there are here, how many do you think there are? So this is one, this is one, this one's brand new, by the way. A couple of these are brand new, and we're going to cover the new stuff here in a little bit more detail in just a second. But as you can see here, there are a lot of bundles going on, and if you add these up, there are 15 different game dev bundles, including 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 audio asset bundles, and then the rest are game assets. But like this is excessive. This is too many bundles. But let's jump in and take a look at a couple of them. So I'm going to highlight. I'll have links for the bigger, or the ones I think you would find most interesting down below. By the way, if you do use any of these links, it does help support me, and I appreciate that very much. So the newest one we've got going on is the Extreme Environment and Monster Unity Bundle. That Unity part is important. These are Unity-only assets. This is from Nature Manufacture. They make some really great, realistic terrain environments on top of a couple systems. This one is for creating rivers, but you can also, as you can see, use to create highways. But a number of environment bundles there. World Streamer for streaming very large environments. And then we got a number of fantasy characters here as well. So if you're looking for some characters or environment packs for Unity, Nature Manufacture, nice set of bundles going on right there. As you can see, organized into tiers, top tier being $30 US, I think that would be. And then we have a giant GameDev Market 2D one. So you're looking here at top tier being $25, and you are getting a lot of game packs. So basically, this is mostly tile maps, etc. So if you're working in RPG Maker Game Maker, you're making a tile map game in, say, Godot or Defold, these are generally tile maps. So some of them are isometric, a couple of them are hexagonal, most of them are grid-based. And so, again, some isometric thrown in here as well. If you're looking for assets for your pixel art game, there are a ton here. Then we've got this one. This one is from Kitbash 3D. Now, they make assets that are very high detail, so it can be used in movies as well, or TV, in addition to games. You're going to probably have to do some LOD work on them, but most game engines have an automatic LOD system at this point in time. And the cool thing about their stuff is works with Unreal, Unity, but also with Blender, and you can pull out individual assets from these bundles. So like if you needed an air conditioner, you can pull down an individual air conditioner asset and use just it. They do have a Blender plugin for this, which by the way means you can then use them in whichever game engine you want. So Kitbash is having five major kits here. So we got futuristic New York, Shangri-La, heavy metal, a colonial, kind of looks almost like steampunk or metropolis looking there, and then an ancient environment, and then a couple of other randos in here as well. Probably just so that you could have an entry-level tier here, which is still $10. Nobody's going to buy that tier. Everyone will buy this tier, which I'm guessing is $30. I said like 3 things now are $30, and they've all had slightly different prices, so around $30, maybe 35 in this case. I'm not 100% certain. But again, you can pull out individual assets as you need them. Just do know generally fairly high polygon counts when you're dealing with Kitbash stuff, but quality stuff, and this is definitely a solid deal if you like Kitbash's stuff. And then we got this one. This is one of the rando sound effect ones that was just launched. I picked this one out mostly because I just really appreciate what they've done with this one pack. So you've got things like, again, baby voices, video game catchphrases, dialogues, common expressions, and so on. And here we have a folly pack of human body sounds. So things like coughing, sniffing, scratching, mouth sounds, sneezing. You even have farting in here. But what I just appreciate is someone turned human body sounds into this song. Okay, I don't know why I found that as amusing as I did, but I appreciate whoever put that one together. But basically, it is this collection of Foley effects, voice work, that kind of stuff. And then we also have these bundles. These were already running, but we've got 3 bundles, one for Godot, one for Unity, and one for Unreal Engine, all up on Gumroad for 3D environment packs. I talked about that one in the past. Key thing I want to point out on this one is, regardless to which one you pick up, they're all $39.99, but you'll see the price is listed as $99.99 on Gumroad. When you're buying it, use the code SP60. It drops $60 off. So if you're looking for some environment, there are huge bundles going on here as well. Again, I did a video about these ones, so you're already aware of them. But one thing that's absolutely insane is just how many bundles Humble are doing right now. This is nuts. Like, I know they're doing their 15th anniversary sale, but this is too many. This is why I put them all together into a greatest hits video like what we saw today. If something really cool comes out that I want to share with you guys, I'll do a dedicated video on it, but I might start summarizing them together into a single bundle, like to a single video like this going forward, especially if this level of options are there. Maybe do like a bi-weekly rundown of what deals and bundles are going on at a time, like I do with the free stuff now. So every other week, maybe I'll do that. Let me know what you think, how you'd like me to handle that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, a ton of bundles. Let me know what you think. And again, using any of my links does support me, and I thank you very much if you do. All right, talk to you all later. Goodbye.